Hey YouTube! My name is Tanya Archer. If you're new here, welcome. Hit subscribe, join us. On my channel, you'll mainly find natural hair videos because I am a natural hair girl who is trying to learn how to do her hair and try out different styles and share the process with everyone. So that's what this channel is really about. And sometimes you'll find some other random ones, like last week I did the boyfriend tag. Go check it out, go check it out. Okay, enough of the chit chat. I'm gonna get right into it and show you guys step by step exactly how I achieve this hairstyle. So if I know I'm gonna rock my hair like this on Tuesday, then on Monday night I prep my hair in order to achieve this look. To start preparing for this hairstyle, I just section off my hair right at the front, and I just kind of do it with my fingers. I try not to do it with a comb because sectioning it off initially, it's really tangled. I go in with my fingers and I just section it off, and then I get a spray bottle with water and a little bit of conditioner in it, and I just spray it onto the section. I don't spray it until it's soaked. I kind of do like a medium soaked kind of thing because I just don't want it dripping wet. After I get enough water in there, I then add some of my Curl Enhancing Smoothie, which is by Shea Moistures. I absolutely love this thing because it smells great and it gives my hair a nice texture. It also adds a little bit of moisture, which is always good. So I work that into the section, and as I'm working it in, I comb it through with a medium size comb. And then the last thing I apply at the very end is my oil. I have this little bottle filled with castor oil, coconut oil, argan oil, avocado oil. Honestly, any oil that I can find and that I have, I'll just put it into that bottle, give it a shake, and use it on my hair. So the oil is the last thing I add. I also work that in, then comb it through like a lot. After I have all the products worked in and my hair feels really smooth, I then do a little twist, nothing serious, like it doesn't have to be a perfect twist. You can do a braid or you can do whatever you want. Just make sure that you interlock that section somehow. But when I do the twist, I don't twist it all the way to the end. I twist it and leave a little bit of hair at the end so that I can have a little puff effect. Next, I take a hair tie, one that's fairly stretchy, and I just wrap it around the entire twist, making sure that I cover it from root to the bottom of the puff. And yeah, so I repeat that entire process throughout my whole head of hair. I section it with my fingers, I add my water, I add my Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I comb it through. And then I add an oil, rub that in nice and good, and then comb it through again. Yes. Now the reason I leave a little puff at the top and not twist that part out is because I want my hair to come out like a puff, like an afro puff. So I need that texture at the end. If I were to twist it all the way at the end and put on the hair tie throughout the entire twist, then my hair would just be pointed. The tips of my hair would be pointed. Right now, as you can see, the tips of my hair are still like afro textured and poofy. And that's because I didn't twist it all the way to the end. Literally, that is all I do. And then I go about my day, or I go to sleep and I wait a few hours, wake up, and boom. So after it's completely dry, and when I say completely dry, please pay attention to the dry part. It has to be completely dry. Then I take out the hair ties and I just kind of unravel the twists and just let my hair out. And the final last step involves one of these. It's a handy dandy afro pick. If you don't have an afro pick and you have afro texture hair, you're missing out because these picks are life, okay? Okay. So this is where the important part comes in, for me at least. This is what works for me. I take my afro pick and I put it into the root of my hair and just pull all the way out, but I do not I do not pull through the tips. I take it, put it into the root, pull, 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 and when I get to the tip of my hair, I just take the Afro pick out. That way, the tips of my hair remain thick, because that is mainly what is showing in when I have my Afro out. So I want that part to remain thick and textured and voluptuous. So I do not pick it all the way through. And honestly, that is it. That is exactly how I achieve this look. I like to take the pick and pull, like create little like bangs at the front. I like it when my Afro can like cover my forehead because I just like that look. As you can see, my Afro is not perfectly shaped. It's really like kind of bumpy in some parts, and that's because it's really hard to get a perfectly even Afro. It's really difficult. And honestly, I'm content with it being a little like wonky, a little like high and low some places, because it gives it character, you know, like it's cool, it's whatever. And that is it. That is exactly how I achieve this Afro. I absolutely love my Afro. It's been growing. I haven't cut my hair in 6 months, so like it's pretty long or whatever. I would pull it out and stretch it to show you, but I spent like 10 minutes picking this out, so no. All right, guys, I am out. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching me do my Afro. If you have any suggestions, because I love suggestions, leave them in the comment section as to how I can improve this hairstyle or an easier method, something I could have done different. Let me know and we'll talk about it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Toodles.